Namaste and welcome back to my channel Shooter Club. I hope you all are fit and fine. And just to aid you a little bit, I am here with 4 tips that will help you maintain your mental fitness. Yes, mental fitness is as important as physical fitness. So let's get started. Number 1, that is setting short-term goals. Now, have you ever heard that song? ऊंची है building, lift तेरी बंद है, कैसे मैं आऊँ? Obviously stairs say. So now what if you have this friend who lives at 10th or 15th floor, that is ऊंची building, and lift बंद है और आपको ऊपर जाना है, तब stairs पे कैसे जाओगे? Direct jump तो नहीं कर सकते ना 10th or 15th floor. You will have to reach one floor at a time. Now same is the situation with a book. So if I give you this मोटा book, आप घबरा जाओगे and मैं भी घबरा जाऊँगी. So what I tried doing is I took this one topic or one chapter at a time that I'm going to do today or tomorrow, and then I keep on doing that. Okay, taking that book as a long-term goal, I can say, but I've divided that into my short-term goals, that okay, one topic at a time or one topic in a day or 2 topics in a day, and that's how you can also roll. For instance, I give you a magazine अगर पतली सी, तो आपको एक बार में पढ़ सकते हो, बट वहीं वो मोटा बुक देख के हम घबरा जाते हैं. So we should divide that. Alright. Moving on to your next thing that you can relate to more is game. Now when there is a game with different difficulty levels, so once you cross one level, you go into the next level, and then you clear it, and then you win another level, so and so on. So that motivation and happiness you get to move to the next level can also be done in your life and life goals. So try dividing your goals into different levels and see the magic. Number 2 is challenging yourself or learning new things every day. I'm very sure of that you must have picked 1 or 2 skills during the lockdown period. This cooking, baking, painting, sketching was the most common. But you can also learn the math tables, which I'm also working on, and then you can learn new languages, you can increase your general knowledge and so on. Sometimes I even use my left hand while playing badminton or table tennis, and for lockdown specials I even use it for jhadu and pocha too. This really helps you jog your mind and memory very well. Okay, this is like a proper workout for your mind. Third one, that is lifestyle change. What are the 2 things that you think can impact your lifestyle a lot? That is your sleep cycle and that is your food habits. So for the sleep cycle, it is said कि अगर हम same time पे उठते हैं और same time पे सोते हैं, plus minus 15 minutes, say about अगर 6 बजे उठती हूँ और if someday I get up at 6:15 or someday I have to get up at 5:45, that is manageable from 6. और अगर आप सो रहे हो 10 बजे तो टाइम वही मेंटेन होना चाहिए. Plus minus 15 minutes is okay and acceptable, but not more than that. And why so? Because it keeps your mind and body much more active and focused. So if you want to be active and stay focused, so you should maintain your sleep cycle as well. For the food habits, I would say if no junk food, that is not possible in a day, but slowly and steadily you can reach there, and once or twice you can have a junk food in a month or so. And talking about the sattvic food, I have tried myself. You can try. It really helps for your peaceful mind, or for your calmness, and for your better digestive system. So not getting deeper into that. Number 4, and my most favorite, meditation. It helps you spiritually and emotionally. It may not give you results instantly, but it works wonders if done correctly. I have shared in my previous videos कि आपको meditation क्यों करना चाहिए और कैसे करना चाहिए, so you can check them out as well. So that's it for today. Thank you for joining in. Jai Hind and happy training. And wait, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.